Looking for your dream car? It could be the 2018 Lincoln MKX. With less than 35,000 miles on the odometer, this vehicle provides excellent value. Make the most of every drive when you travel in modern style and comfort. Sculpted lines and a quiet cabin soothe your mind, while the latest safety and infotainment tech keeps you secure, focused, and entertained. All you need to do is relax and enjoy the ride. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: keyless entry, backup camera, active suspension, remote engine start, keyless start, satellite radio, heated mirrors, fog lamps, power passenger seat, heated front seat. Don't miss the opportunity to enhance your driving pleasure while you take advantage of the latest advances in efficiency. Our team will give you an outstanding test drive experience.